Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Pen X tutorial, how to remove background. As example, I will insert image. You can go to layer and then click this icon to insert the image. And I will use this image, click open and click OK. So we already have the image. And to remove the background from this image, you can use the magic wand. You can click this icon, magic wand, and then you can click on the area in the background. It will be automatically select. The next, you can click these icons and use cut tools. So you can cut again. And if you done, you can click remove select area. So that's it for a basic Ibis Pine X tutorial, how to remove background. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.